morning, I actually started this vlog off in the bathroom, and then I'm like, why am I starting the vlog off in the bathroom when I have this to start it off with? I mean, right? So welcome to honeymoon day 2. For the day. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel by hitting the red subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell next to it so you can be notified each time I upload a video. Okay, so Mike is already down at the beach. He's got us a great spot. And I just wanted to show you my shirt really quick that Kate, my sister-in-law, made me. Isn't it cute? It says wifey, and I just love the back. Hopefully you can see that. Yes, you can. Isn't that so sweet? So Mike also has one that says hubby on it, and it matches our cups, which is super cute. So if you want a shirt like this or any other cute shirts for anybody, babies, anything, her link will be below in the description box. And I love you guys. Come to the beach, come to the beach, come to the beach, come to the beach.
Each beach we're at, so I got a perfect.
Oh, good.
Those are each beaches we've been to.
That's true.
That's why I put them in there.
Look at Mike. So they're just like, I don't know, I thought they looked pretty cool. I have to watch where I'm going.
Just call me Kate Upton.
Call you Kate Upton? Alright, so I am back in the room because if you follow my Insta stories, I told you guys, please remind me to pump, because I'm not used to having to stop everything I'm doing and pump. I'm using to stop everything I'm doing and feed the baby, because the baby reminds me that she needs to be fed. I'm not used to being away and having to pump and reminding myself that, you know, I need to pump. So I'm upstairs, came upstairs. I'm pumping every 4 hours right now, because usually she eats every 4 hours, so I figured that would be good. And this is the first time, I've probably said this before, that we've been, that I've been away from the baby and Mike for a significant amount of time. So like, it's weird, it's different, you know what I mean? So, but let's look at the view again. Like, you can't get enough of it. Alright, so Mikey is right over there, right behind this tree. He might be out. Oh, no, he's over here. That's where our stuff is. He's over there fishing. Hold on. There he is. That'd be awesome if I could catch him catching something. Alright, let me zoom back out so you don't get scared of my face when I turn you around here. I think tonight we're gonna do order pizza in. They have this pizza place. Oh, and there it is. They warned us that there was gonna be.
Good afternoon, this is Red Hawk Fire and Security. At this time, we will be testing the fire alarm and fire sprinkler system. During this time, it will be necessary to enter the units on the 5th floor. Again, we are testing the fire alarm and fire sprinkler system. During this time, it will be necessary to enter the units on the...
They're entering our room. Crap. That means I can't pump right now. You guys heard what they just said, right? They have to enter the units on the 5th floor. Okay, so what do I do? So I can't pump right now because they're coming in here? I'm very confused. I need to call down to room service and see what they're talking, or guest services, and see what they're talking about. Hold on a second. Hi, yeah, we got warned about the fire alarm stuff. They just said they were gonna enter the units, so does that mean they need to come into the room? Sure, yeah, no problem. On our floor, somebody was definitely doing a little on our floor, so whoever that is probably gonna get in trouble. Not legally, but they're gonna get in trouble by the hotel. Our floor, yes. They said they're gonna enter and it literally takes like 2 minutes or something like that, so that's fine. I'll just wait to pump. I got some milk in my boobs right now that I need to get out. So it's just funny because whoever that is, they're gonna know the second the fire people walk into their room. Oh my gosh, I feel bad for those people because let me be straight up with you. I am not against weed in any way, shape, or form. So I kind of feel, I don't feel bad for them because it's stupid. Like, go out on your balcony. Don't do it in your room. That's just stupid. You're gonna be charged money now. Probably charged a fine by the hotel. But just go out on your balcony if you want to, you know, I won't even say it. I want to make this, you know, PG-13. You know, I can say shit here and there. I think I said the F word just a second ago. Might have to get that out. Okay, so I am, let me turn, sorry, I was trying to catch up on some of my YouTube while I was actually doing a little bit of, actually I finished editing this morning, yesterday's vlog, and uploading the one from yesterday. I'm uploading it now. It's just the Wi-Fi is not as fast here. So I was catching up on a little Zoe Young, who I mentioned in the previous video. She just seems like so sweet and stuff, so I always like watching her vlogs. So I was catching up on some of her vlogs. Ooh, look at that boat go by. Oh, can you see it? Oh, we missed it. That's okay. So anyway, I am about to head back down. There's Mikey, he's making friends. So I love you guys. I love you, I love you, I love you. Mwah. I feel like I always kiss you guys. Mwah. I feel like I'm always kissing you. Mwah. Well, that just shows I love you. Anyway, let's go down. Look what we got. We got the canopy bed. Oh no. Does it feel nice?
My beautiful wife. Your face. You silly. Look at that. I had a baby 9 months ago. Look at that body.
Oh, stop it.
Not one stretch mark. Well, what did you use again?
PALMER'S.
I'll make sure.
I'll leave it in the link.
I'll make sure.
Hey, babe. Look up.
I can't see.
Ooh-la-ga. Ooh-la-ga.
You should post that old picture of us looking up
I should.
on this video.
We have a old picture of us. Not old, but
Yeah,
old picture
5
of us.
years old.
Yeah, probably 4 years old. Like when we first started dating, and we moved into this super cool apartment. It was a super cool apartment, though, right?
No closet space, but yes.
No storage space, but badass apartment. And it had like a rooftop pool, the whole complex. But regardless of that, we took this picture, and it's a picture of us looking up at the mirror on the elevator, the rooftop mirror of the elevator. And I don't know, we just always remember that picture for some reason, so I'll try to find it and insert it, right?
See how it's like rubber on the side?
Right.
The Zodiacs. Let's see if it's a Sea Tow or Coast Guard. See how he just smashes through that crap? Sheriff, look at that. Fort Orders. Look at that sheriff's boat. He's going out there for a reason. That's a cool boat. I wonder what our face should look like. Let's do it one more time.
Okay. You could do it in slow-mo.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Oh!
I got you! Alright, this time I'll really do it with you.
Okay, I don't want you to land on my arm though, because I'm going like this.
Alright, then I'll spread out. But we gotta get both of us. 1, 2, 3. I got you twice. I got you twice. I love you.
I love you, babe. Okay, can we really do it?
We did it once already. Alright, I
Okay.
promise, viewers, I'll really do it this time. Just keep your arms like over your chest. That's how you do it. Like when you jump out of an airplane, arms over your chest. 1, 2, 3.
I landed before you.
That's because you're way more than me.
We can't get it down, so it's just gonna be what it is. Doesn't my face look red?
I got multiple
Our faces look. That's why we should never put the viewfinder up.
What's that, Ace Ventura?
They see a breakfast nook area.
Let's sit up.
Alright, let's
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
I got you twice.
You did get me twice.
I got you twice.
Alright.
And our room is freaking pretty cool, man.
Yeah.
I know we showed you this stuff, but it's pretty cool. We're gonna go out in the balcony and enjoy the view. Alright, what do I do? Hit the red button?
Alright guys, so it is super late. It's almost 1 o'clock in the morning. Me and Mike had a great night together, and we actually walked like 2 miles. We walked down to the Jupiter Inlet Pier. It was beautiful. I hope you guys enjoyed today's second honeymoon vlog. So this is our second day here, and don't forget to subscribe. I know this is annoying that I say this at the end of every video for all of my subscribers, so you can just skip ahead. But if you are a new person to my channel, I hope you stay and hit the red subscribe button down below, and make sure to hit the notification bell next to it so you can be notified. Otherwise you won't be notified when I post a video. So I love you guys so much, and thank you so much for all the congratulations on the previous honeymoon vlog that I posted. It was just so nice to hear from all of you. Love you guys so much. And Darby family, I just wanted to say, yes, you would get along amazingly with Mike. It seems like you guys, when I watch your vlogs, you guys have a lot in common. So you guys would get along great. So if you are ever in South Florida, hit us up. So I love you guys, and thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to check out all my social medias down below so you can see more of the wedding stuff, because that will be coming soon. All right, love you guys. Mwah.